Hey guys, how are you doing today? If I look really sweaty, it's because I am, and my forehead is like dripping. It's literally 31 degrees in my flat right now, like inside my flat. That's not even outside, we're talking inside, but there's literally no breeze. So it's really, if I open my windows, it's really not gonna help. I have not been at home today. I've actually been in the office, and we had aircon. And that's so nice. I was literally shivering at one point today, but that's good because I needed that after it being so hot. Oh, it's gone down to 30.9 now. I have this in here for humidity, but anyway, that is by the by. Today is not about the temperature or heat. Today is about a Zara unboxing. I'll just swivel it around and like go back. This is how big the box is. I'm not going to show you all the front because it's got details on it. But yes, I bought a few things in the Zara sale. I know I literally just been into Zara and bought things, but I really like, if you go watch that video where go watch the come shop with me around Zara / the rest of Westfield, and also the haul where I included some bits from Zara. I'll link them up in the iCards. It's not in the iCloud, don't worry, you don't have to go looking on there. But I was on the hunt for some trainers from Zara because I've got my two beloved dad sneakers from there, which I worn to death, and they don't, apart from the outside, like I could do with them cleaning them, the bottom looks like they haven't been worn when they have been worn to death. I don't know, I feel like there's a shadow here, but I can't really do much about that. But anyway, yes, I wanted some more Zara trainers because they are actually really comfortable, and they're just really comfortable, really good. They're really long last wearing. I highly recommend them, and I really wanted some. So when I was away in Norwich and up in that area in Norfolk, I looked in the Zara in Norwich. Didn't have any in the sale or anything like that, and I only wanted to buy them in the sale because I'm cheap. And then I went in the Zara in Westfield, and it was crazy busy in there, and it's quite warm and stuff, and they didn't have any in there anyway that were in my size. So obviously I took the plunge over to doing a Zara haul online. I purchased these on Zara, is it .com? Must be. I have ordered on Zara before on the website, and that's where actually my first two pairs of trainers came from. As I was saying, they're really long last, they wear really well, they're long lasting, and they're fine now, but like, is that trend kind of dying? But anyway, we're going to go into this box because I also bought one thing else as well. Got my little knife cutter here. Now I ordered this, oh my god, this knife is too small. There we go. I ordered this on, I think, Friday, and then I got the pickup from like a pickup point that you could get. I'll just tear that one off, I think. There we go. From a pickup point, they do, you know, like how Amazon have lockers. There was like this post thing that has lockers. I think it's called In Post or something. So I ordered it to there. I've never used that service before. I have ordered it. I think I ordered a Zara delivery to a local shop before as well. But anyway, okay, it was like £1 something for that. If you spend over 50 quid, you got free next day, I think. And this literally ordered on the Friday before 8 PM, and it said to come between the Saturday and the Monday, and it came on the Monday. It's a Tuesday I'm filming this. I haven't unboxed it yet. Let's get into it. How is it working? There we go. And Zara stuff never comes in, well, from the stuff I've ordered before, never comes in like a plastic box or anything. It comes in like tissue paper, a bit like, you know, a Louis Vuitton kind of thing with a sticker on it. There we go, didn't rip it. Now I'm going to show you the first thing first, which isn't the pair of shoes. Let me just pop that up there. Isn't the pair of shoes. And this is so not weather appropriate for right now, and I'm really sorry, I'm not trying this on because I'd literally die. But I saw this, and it is a coat, and I haven't got, funnily enough, like a plain black long coat for winter. And I saw this and it was $19.99. I think originally it was around the $79.99 mark. It might have a little thing on it, but literally, oh, I thought they'd give me a box for my shoes. Actually, I don't think I got a box last time. It is literally just a really bog standard black overcoat. It's really probably not going to show up at all. But yeah, it's not overly thick, which is good because I don't like my coats to be overly thick. Yeah, originally it was $79.99. I got it in a small. You could get it in an extra small. It's got how many buttons? 2 buttons. Please be an inside pocket, please, because we love an inside pocket. Right. Doesn't look like there's going to be. That's a shame. No inside pocket, because that would be super awesome if it did have that. It's just got 2 side pockets on the side. I'm not going to do a cutaway shot of me trying that on because I'd literally die. Sorry. But it's basically just a black overcoat. Imagine that, and that's what that is. But this is the more exciting purchase. And it comes in a little dust bag thing, I guess. And I got these for, I believe, I got paid $17.99 for these, and I wonder if they've got the original price on. I think Zara stuff comes quite well packaged and everything. Yes, they've got the original price on, which was originally $49.99, so that's a really good deal. And I wanted a pair of just white trainers, which were chunky, but not like dad trainers again, because I don't really want to wear those too much anymore. But I got these. I'm not too fussed about the massive, you know, gum bit, I suppose, but should I take it off? Up here. How do you do that? Ah, oh, that's really nifty. It's got this, let me do it up. This little Zara thing here, and you literally just unclip it and then they come apart, so you can try them on, and I guess it'll be easy for them to resell them, I suppose, if they don't fit or anything. I got them in my normal size, which is a 40, which is a UK 6, because my other ones are in a UK 6. They look like this. I suppose they're a bit reminiscent of a Air Force One, kind of, I guess. You might remember a while ago I did buy some white trainers in Primark, but they're the most uncomfortable thing in the world, and they're not very chunky or anything. I think these are leather as well, from what I remember. Let me have a look at the description. Contrasting leather sneakers. So these are leather, and I got them for $17.99. And you know what? I don't mind this gum bit. It's quite a chunky heel, I guess. Wedged platform, but I wanted some white plain ones. This is what they look like from here. Obviously I'll be taking this bit off somehow. How the hell am I meant to get that off? And they've even got a shoe shaper inside, and on the bottom they just look like this, and they've got like the Zara logo, I suppose, kind of ingrained in the tracks. But yeah, I'm excited to try these on and wear them. Yeah, I found with the last 2 pairs that I've got from Zara, they wear really well, so hopefully these will last the test of time. They're very classic, so they're going to go with everything, because they're white, obviously. They have got a bit of clear detailing here, and then they've got this like pull thing on the end, and the gum kind of thing is obviously kind of a neutral. I would prefer that to be white, but for $17.99 that's really good price, so I'm not complaining about that. Tell me what you think. Do you like these? They will literally go with everything, so I'm happy about that. But yes, I'm now sweating. I need to eat something. I've just got in from the office, so let's wrap this up, because oh, what's the temperature now, guys? It is 31 again. great. So yeah, I don't know how I'm going to cool my flat down. If you've got any tips, leave them below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already for more hauls and stuff. I've got a few hauls this week. That was my stomach. Coming up. It's saying it wants food. I've got a few hauls coming up this week. One for some like niece and nephew clothes, and then one for me as well. I know I wasn't saying I was buying anything, but this, I couldn't pass up getting these because I was on the hunt for some white trainers like this that weren't too expensive, and Zara seemed to do really good ones. And then I bought some stuff in a charity shop, so I will show you that in a video to come. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagrams down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.